Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us for today's video. We're going to be talking about what it takes to open a corporate banking account. I definitely know this is one of the frequently asked questions, and we're very happy to have Diana and Eng Keat from UOB here today. Hello, how's it going?
Good. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm good too.
Great. Before we start, we always love to have our guests introduce themselves. So maybe you could give us a quick intro.
Hi, good day, everyone. I'm Diana from United Overseas Bank, Group Channels and Digitalisation. Currently, I am managing the customer experience and strategic projects within my function. On top of what I do today, I also partner Eng Keat, who is here with me today, in driving regional connectivity, including foreign direct investment. Over to you, Eng Keat.
Thanks, Diana. My name is Eng Keat, and I am part of the Foreign Direct Investment Advisory Unit. The team essentially helps companies set up and understand the market opportunities in ASEAN and supports them through the whole process.
Great. Now, for today's session, I'm curious, what will we be learning?
Thanks, Rovik. Today, we'll be giving you an overview of the corporate banking account opening process in Singapore. I understand that this has been quite a frequently asked question. Please note that the information shared here is for general guidance only, and you should speak to us directly for the most up-to-date information. As one of the leading financial centers of the world, Singapore offers world-class banking and financial services for corporate clients. While opening a corporate banking account in Singapore is a relatively simple and straightforward process, banks in Singapore adhere to stringent regulatory framework and strategy set by the Monetary Authority of Singapore.
Great. And now, getting into the details, could you take us through the account opening process and share what are some of the information banks in Singapore will require?
Sure, I'll be more than happy to share with you what's really needed to open a corporate account with us. To open a corporate banking account in Singapore, we will first need to understand your business. At this stage, it is recommended that you provide us with the basic information such as your company's background, its country of incorporation, the nature of the business, and your company's business aspiration in Singapore or the region to establish your banking requirements. Other information includes details of your company's directors, source of funds that will be injected to the account. Of course, we will require you to help us to complete some banking forms. At the same time, provide us with the necessary documents. We have listed here on the slide the different types of documents that banks in Singapore typically ask. They would include copy of your business profile, such as certificate of incorporation or its equivalent, copy of company's M&A in English, your company's resolution, copies of passports or national identification cards of the related parties to the account. And of course, lastly, the proof of residential addresses are also required. Do note that the documents required will really depend on the complexity of your company structure. You may also visit our website to obtain a checklist of the documents that may be required. It is paramount for you that you provide us with the required details and documents to avoid any delay in the account opening process.
Great. I think this list is definitely very helpful. And once companies have provided all the required information, what's the next step? And what if companies have any concerns?
Not to worry, because we will be with you throughout this journey. Once you have provided us with the required document, a face-to-face verification meeting will be arranged at your convenience to facilitate the account opening. During the meeting, our bank officers will provide assistance to ensure that all required documents are in place and witness the signature of documents. We will appreciate that all account signatories are present for the meeting. In addition, our officers will usually also take time to explain the account features and address any concerns that you may have. And upon receipt of all the completed information and all due diligence requirements have been fulfilled, we will inform you once the account in Singapore has been successfully set up. Throughout the entire account opening process, we will be with you. We can arrange for a phone call or a meeting to provide you step-by-step guidance, as well as to answer any queries that you may have.
That's quite reassuring. Now, I also remember at the very beginning, you talked about how UOB is facilitating foreign investments as well. So I'm curious, could you share how UOB is helping foreign businesses expand into Singapore?
Sure, Rovik, I can answer that. To paint the context first, though, at UOB, we believe in being a responsible financial services provider. And we are committed to creating long-term value for our customers. As Asia and ASEAN continues to attract more foreign direct investments, we are committed towards connecting our customers to cross-border business opportunities for sustainable growth. Thus, the creation and the development of the Foreign Direct Investment Advisory Unit. So besides offering banking and financial services, UOB set up the FDI advisory team to support foreign companies' overseas expansion into Asia. Our dedicated team of FDI advisors are equipped to help facilitate your market entry by providing deep market insights and access the bank's partner ecosystem comprising regional government agencies and trade and business associations. The team harnesses the strength of UOB's extensive network and deep local knowledge to deliver integrated business solutions through its 10 FDI centers. So if you have further questions, please feel free to get in touch with us.
Great. This is an awesome amount of information. I really appreciate it. And I'm sure a lot of our audience members will as well. For those who want to find out more, I'm sure there's definitely more questions. Please reach out to Diana and Eng Keat, and the UOB team will put their information in the description section. Of course, here at EDB, we're also happy to have a conversation if you're looking into expanding into Singapore. There are tons more videos for you to check out on how to invest into Singapore and the region. We do hope you check those out. Eng Keat and Diana, once again, thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate
Thanks
the
for having
opportunity to be
us.
here. Bye.
Great.